Hello and welcome to the tutorial for VictoryXR AI, specifically the Creator tool. You'll start on Nexus's homepage and navigate to the VictoryXR AI tab. Here you'll find our public catalog of experiences. This can be searched, filtered, and you can filter by public, organization, and my experiences. Public can be viewed by all VXR subscribers. Organization can be viewed by your account's specific organization. My experiences are your experiences that you've created. Now to create a new experience, you'll click on this button in the top right corner and you'll land on this page. Here you'll want to create the name of your experience. So we'll just do a physics example. You'll want to enter the subject for your lesson. Now this is going to be important because it's going to tell the AI which subject to stick to when answering questions. So I'll keep it fairly broad and type in physics. But this can be as specific as you want it to be. Course name. This has no weight on the AI as of right now, so you can really just enter whatever helps you organize your lessons. And then select your grade level. This will help inform the AI which grade level to teach at when responding. Now on the second page, you'll want to pick your visuals. You're going to pick from our catalog of 3D avatars. I'll just select this guy for now. And you'll want to pick your classroom. Both of these two catalogs, the avatars environments, will grow over time. Now for your avatar, you're going to want to pick your voice. Right now we have 6 voice options. You can click on the highlighted text to hear samples of each one.
This is a sample of voice 2.
I think I'll go for voice 2 for now. And then you can select the personality of your avatar. We'll go with excited. I'll save and go to the next page. Now here's where you're going to script out your lesson. You'll notice that you start with a text box here, a paragraph block. But you can also add images, videos, true-false questions, multiple choice questions, and whiteboard text. I'll start by pasting in a prepared script I have for this lesson. And I'm going to paste it in by paragraph, so that way I can freely add events wherever I want, and I'll show that in a second. And the last paragraph. Now this is a shorter lesson, more of an example for today. You'll see here that I've got about 7 different paragraph blocks, and I'm going to start by adding some whiteboard text that'll appear on the board behind my teacher. And I just want to add some headers to give the students an idea of which topic within the lesson we're on. So I'll just title this one Introduction. I'll have that be up for about 20 seconds. I'm going to do that for each segment. So here we're talking about Newton's first law. I'm gonna do 20 seconds for each of these. In the future, we're gonna allow you to select an option that will just keep the whiteboard text up until the next whiteboard event appears. I should also mention that for each different event you add, you can click on the pencil icon on the right of it to edit it, or the trash can icon to delete it. Now you'll notice I'm adding these right before we start talking about each one. That's because this script editor is sequential from the top down. So the lesson will start with the things at the top and go to the things at the bottom. And so you'll see I accidentally placed this one 1 paragraph block down. So any event that you add, you can actually drag. So we'll just drag that right above where it should be. All right, now I'll go back in here and add in an image. So I've pre-uploaded some images related to this lesson, so I can just search for them. And then you can select to have the image appear on the left of your teacher or the right. And then much like the whiteboard text, you can enter how long you want it to be up. Now you can also upload a new image right here and just drop it in if you have not pre-uploaded it. Now I think before we move on to the Newton's third law section, I'm gonna add a true-false question relating to this block. Now multiple choice questions will operate the exact same as true-false. You'll just enter your different answer options. And the last one to cover would be video. Videos are going to operate just like images, except for they'll appear right in front of the user. You won't select left or right of the avatar. And videos will pause the lesson until completed. I don't have a physics video, so I'll just do one related to biology. All right, once you feel good about your script, you can just click save. Go to the final page, and here's where you're going to want to fill in a description for your lesson, and you can upload a thumbnail and select visibility. So we'll just keep this one private for now and save. And then right from this page, you can click play lesson to go test for the first time. All right, once loaded, just click start.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of physics.
And here's where you can test your lesson.
These laws
to make sure the dialogue sounds correct, the lesson events are where you want them, and you can, micro adjust the durations for how long they should be staying up. I'll skip ahead to see the first few.
Newton's second law.
Now we have our true-false question that we added. So if a student gets the answer incorrect, they'll be prompted to try again here before you move on.
I'm glad you're excited movements to the most complex
I'll ask a question here. So we added physics to the subject line, so if I were to ask something related to biology instead, it should try to veer us back on track for physics.
Great question, but let's keep our focus on physics.
Alright, then you can just resume lesson. But let's say I'm done testing, so I'm going to go back to my lesson and edit a few things. Here's where you can change some text, delete events, move them around, add more, and click save, and go test again. And once you're feeling confident, you can switch this visibility to organization or public, depending on who you want to see and play your lesson.